Hello. Okay, so we're going to be multiplying polynomials by monomials. And this is very similar to our multiplying of our monomials, but now we're just going into a polynomial, which is multiple monomials. So one term is considered a monomial, two is a binomial, three is a trinomial, all part of the polynomial family. So we times our coefficients. So 2 times 5 is 10, and we add our letters. So we have a 1a here and 2, so that's a to the third. Now we give it to this one. We watch our signs. That's a negative. 2 times 7 is 14. We've got an a here and an a here, so that's two of those a's for a to the second power. And we have 2 times our 9, which is 18 with an a. That's all that can be done unless you tell me what a is going to be, and then I would substitute it back in. So now we do the same thing here, but this time we're distributing a negative 6 to this, so that would be negative 12. We've got an a here. Don't forget they have magical little ones next to it. So we've got 1a here and another 2 here, so that's a to the 3, b to the first. Negative times a negative forms a positive. 6 times 4 is 24. We've got another little fake little ones there. A make a2, b and a b make b to the second. And then we have a negative times a positive, which holds a negative. 6 times 5 is a 30. There's no a's on this, but there's still an a here. And we have a b1 and b2 there, which makes b to the third. Now we just check our terms. None of this can be put together because they all have different combos. See, this is an a cubed b, a squared, b squared, a to the first, b to the third, or b cubed. None of those have the same outcome, so we can't put them together. Final one of these. Now remember, if you need to rewind this or slow it down, it's all in the setting. 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. We have r squared and an r squared, which makes r to the 4. S2, there's no s's here, but we still have to put the s squared, plus 3 times 4, which is 12. R squared and an r makes r cubed. S squared and an s makes s cubed. And then we have our last piece, which is 3 times that is negative 9. R squared, there's no r's here, but there's an s2 and an s to the second here, so that's s to the fourth power. Now let's just check. R to the fourth, s to the second, r to the third, s to the cubed, r to the second, s to the fourth. None of them have the same combo. We get to leave it as is. And as always, this is Miss Bobby, and I love math. CrossFit and Diet Coke.